'Cause I lose myself around you, girl. You got some kind of way. There's just something about you, girl, that makes me wanna stay.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Yeah, so it's 9 o'clock and still light. We're gonna go to the garden and check. Chicken. Oh. So, naanak ka diri sa garden. Atong tan-awon og wala ba yung mga silingan? Wala di ay. So, kadako na. Naraong tan-awon ra guni ilang kuan. Usam ni cauliflower, I think. So fat. Very fat. Oo, ning gangis. May gangis. Sus, pagkadagko sa ilahang zucchini. And yeah, mais. I will be eating rice. Oh, gagmay man ni ato. Niwang lagi siya. Niwang. And there again, a big one there. Pitsay. Oh, gikaon na po sa snail. Look at that. Gikaon na po. Hala, I should give water. Hala ka. Wala man ni siya na kuan. Wala siya na kuan, guys. Tulo. Ang kani, daghan pa siya tubig siguro. Wala din ni nag-agas. Gitarong ni. No? Nag-agas ng tubig. Dari po datong paagasan ng tubig. Isura po dani eh. See? You need to do like open it. I think. It's open. Yeah, it's open. You see that? Should be like a little bit low. Like that. So here is it. I think I need to water the plants. I think. So say onions or I will bring water here, guys. Kay parang murag nauga naman siya. Wala man ta warm today. It's very warm today. So we're gonna get water. We already watered the plants. So we're gonna go back there and bring water here. Oh, the chicken there. Oh, kalabasa dagko kayo. So we changed dress because my pants is long, and if I get water then It's get wet. So, finish. That's it, no? I think we're gonna check. This one is not giving water. I don't know what's happening with this. Yeah. So it's okay, no? I adjust the button. The button. I adjust the button and look at that big zucchini again. So finished, guys. We're gonna go back to the house, and yeah, and
I love the way she makes me smile, she makes me smirk. It gives me chills.